Hi guys, welcome to TechViewHub. In this video tutorial, we are going to see about linear layout. Linear layout is the basic layout in Android. So in linear layout, we will align all the children in either horizontal or vertically by adding orientation in it. So now we are going to see how we can create linear layout, how to align the children either horizontally or vertically. For this, first we are changing the constraint layout into linear layout. Next, changing the text view to button. Changing the text of the button to button 1. Removing the ID. Remove constraint layouts attributes from the button. Create another two button named button 2 and button 3. Add orientation attribute to the linear layout. Android orientation. We are making it to horizontal. So buttons are arranged horizontally. Next, we are adding layout margin 10 dp to the 3 buttons. So when we see these 3 buttons, the 3 buttons are arranged horizontally, but there is a space near button 3, so it's not arranged equally in that space. So to solve this, we are adding weight sum to the linear layout. Weight sum is 3 since we have 3 buttons, and we are adding layout weight to the 3 buttons and equally distributing the weight to the 3 buttons. So after doing this, we can able to see the 3 buttons arranged equally in that space. So in case we need to increase the weight of the button 1, we can change the weight sum to 4 and increase the layout weight of the button 1 to 2. Yeah, so we can see, so weight of the button 1 has increased than the button 2 and button 3. So in this way we can rearrange the weight of the buttons. So changing the weight sum back to 3. So now we are running the app. Buttons are arranged horizontally in equal weight. Now we are changing the orientation to vertical. Buttons are aligned vertically. We are running the app. Yeah, buttons are arranged vertically. So this is how the linear layout works. Thanks for watching the video.